G'day guys, welcome to another episode of the LinkCo Show. I'm here today with Angie.
Hi everyone.
From our Link Strategies team, and it also happens to be our Link Advisors' third birthday. So everyone's been out here basically having cake all day. They're a little bit slow, but we've got a few things to talk about today.
Yes.
So what are we talking about? What are we talking about here?
I know as long as you live on Earth, we have to pay tax.
Right.
So that's a tax word. And that
Tax man, you can never get away from him.
Yeah, it's too difficult for small business to organize everything.
Yep.
So today I'm going to discuss about your obligation to the ATO.
Mm-hmm.
So that will give you an idea what should you do, or like how you manage your cash flow.
Sure, right. As we've said in the past, cash flow is king. We see so many businesses that basically don't know what they have to do on a quarterly, monthly, annual basis, and I'm getting caught out. A lot of these people end up coming to me for business loans because they haven't thought far ahead.
We need you.
Yeah, well, yeah, there you go. So what kind of things can people look out for?
Right. For mainly there will be three on the top. And the first one is BUS, which is business activity statement.
Yep.
Well, you can either lodge it quarterly, monthly, annually.
Mm-hmm.
Well, the threshold will be more than 20 million. That will your turnover. You have to lodge it monthly. Otherwise, you just lodge quarterly. But I understand a lot of small business they just started. So if the turnover is less than 75,000 a year, so you can lodge it annually.
Yeah. So we've had a few businesses come to us in the past. Haven't done a BAS for a couple of years. Geez, it's a mess trying to clean it up. Anyway, what else? What other things can people look out for?
Right. The next one is IAS, which is Installment Activity Statement.
Mm-hmm.
Not everyone know that because
I didn't know this.
That's okay. This is mainly like for small business. If you pay employee, however you didn't register GST, then you have to pay IAS, which is Installment Activity Statement. Otherwise, there's another requirement. If your annual payroll is more than $20,000, then you have to lodge it. It's monthly.
So paying out more than 20 grand a year, okay, then you need to do an IAS. Okay, what's the third thing?
Okay, third thing is TAPA, which is Taxable and Annual Report. This is more about the payment you made to your subcontract providing service to you. So nothing to pay for this one, good news, but you have to lodge it. Otherwise, there will be a penalty.
So you don't have to pay unless you don't lodge it, and then you do have to pay because you have to pay a fine. How much is the fine?
Well, starting from $800, there's no limitation so far as I know.
Okay, all right. Well, $800 still, $800 you can keep in your pocket. The three very handy things you can do to make sure that you're looking out, protecting your cash flow, and you're keeping on top of your annual and quarterly obligations.
Yeah.
Look, LinkCo Show. Like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, hit us up in the questions below. Otherwise, we'll see you next time. Cheers.
Bye.